So hello guys, I am Shorodi Biswas here. So today I am going to unbox a Crompton Grips high speed 48-inch ceiling fan. So the MRP is 2265 and the date of manufacture is 8/20/20. It's manufactured in Solan factory. So and it's made in India also. So here is the box as you are watching. So it's a brown color. So let's unbox the fan. So I have already opened the seal because to check the contents in the shop. And as you are watching inside, here is an 11-inch download, and there is also the STD branded shackle, and I think this is a new Mogen STD, and these are the canopy. And let's bring out the motor. So I'm just pulling out the motor from there, and there is the warranty card under the motor. So aware of the thing, and this is a small sized warranty card. So no, means this is not the premium category warranty card, this is the general category warranty card. Crompton have two category warranty cards. So as you are watching, this is the STD shackle. Something the manufacturer of the plastic is written on the plastic bag of the shackle. This is the shackle quality, it's pretty nice, not bad. So let's install the fan. Also show you, these are the canopies as you are watching. The quality of the Solan is average, means I personally feel quality of Solan is average compared to the DECORA or the Kundaim products. Means all the Crompton factories I know that, but somewhat. So I am just unpacking the blades. So as you are watching here, the blades are normal, it's not a special or anything something like that. It's normal Crompton Grips high speed blades, and since this is not my home, that's why I cannot just what I will say do it properly. So as you are watching the motor, the color coding is black is the common, red is the main winding, and brown is the auxiliary winding. And here is a globe capacitor 2.25 cylindrical. So let's install it. Again, I am saying that color coding is not essential for a ceiling fan or a small appliances like this, and polarity is also not essential. For the peace of mind, they give the phase and neutral marks on the connector box, but that's not a big factor, nothing else. Always connect the earthing wire with the fan after installation with the shackle. This fan is the best quality I feel in the budget segment of Crompton. So this Crompton high speed is looking very nice. So the blade screw washer are affixed on the screws only, and it's like the Havells Pacer or the Orient Falcon, and the diameter of the screws are like high speed only. So just high speed washers are got affixed with the bolt. So guys, this is the Crompton Grips high speed after installation. As you can see, this is the high speed brown, and let's start the fan in full speed. So this is light. So as you can see the strobes, this high speed is nice. Literally I can see the strobes going to the direction of the blades. So it's good. The airflow is very awesome. As you can hear, the airflow is really awesome, and this fan is the best fan in the 48-inch segment. There are also another best fan, that is a Crompton Grips Jura or this decorative aura. That is also a better option, but if you want a simple fan for rupees 1700, then go for this fan. This fan cost me around 1600 this time, and regarding the Jura, that cost me 2000. So now the Jura non-anti-dust is discontinued, and Jura anti-dust is only there. Must note that the anti-dust don't have any ring below the motor, golden line or ring, whatever might be. Means I'm not talking about ring, I'm talking about golden line. As you can see here, some golden lines. So the anti-dust Jura don't have any golden lines, but that normal Jura or the regular Jura do have golden lines. So I heard in the shop that normal Jura is discontinued, so that's why I took the anti-dust Jura, so in the previous video. So this is my high speed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So since this is not my home, that's why I cannot show you the each and every steps, whatever might be. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries or comments, please comment it down, and don't forget to share the video. So thank you guys for watching.